Hi guys, I'm going to explain how to work out percentage change. Here's the example. The price of a clock is reduced from £32 to £28. Calculate the percentage reduction. Now we already know it was a reduction just by looking at the prices. Also it says reduced, so it could have just said calculate the percentage change. But these sorts of questions can also be posed by saying calculate the percentage profit or loss. So there's two methods that are interchangeable for this, and I use both actually. I would use this one for non-calculator questions, and I would use this method if I had a calculator because it's a bit quicker, I think. The first method uses this formula: the actual change in the amount divided by the initial amount times 100. So the actual change, if it's been reduced from 32 to 28, is 4. The initial amount was 32, and then we times by 100. Now, many of you might know that 4 is 1/8 of 32, so this would be 1/8, but I'll do this on a calculator anyway. Okay, so 4 divided by 32 times 100 gives 12.5. Okay, this method actually works out the percentage multiplier, and then you have to look at the multiplier to determine the percentage change. So some people don't like it because of that, as maybe sort of think of that as an extra step that they might forget to do, but I do find it quicker, and I find it kind of a bit more ties in with some of the other methods we use with percentages. So we're simply going to do the new amount divided by the old amount. So the new amount was 28, the old amount was 32, and when I do that on a calculator, we get 28 by 32, 7/8, or 0.875. The final thing you have to do with this is to spot that that is a 12.5% reduction. Okay, in other words, it's 0.125 taken away from a whole one. Okay, so there's two methods. I'm going to switch to the pack now so we can have a go at some of those questions. Okay, many of the first ones are non-calculators, so we would probably use the first method. Right, have a go at them. Don't watch this video until you've had a go, and then check your answers. Okay, so a puppy weighed 4 kilograms. 3 months later, the same puppy weighed 5 kilograms. So method 1 I'm going to use. The actual change in kilograms there is 1 kilogram divided by the initial amount times 100, and hopefully you can just know that that will be 25%. Number of TVs sold increased from 50 to 60, so that's an actual change of 10. The original amount was 50. Hopefully you're seeing already that that's 1/5. And 1/5 as a percentage is 20%. Peter's weight decreases from 80 to 72, so that's a decrease of 8 kilograms. Out of the original 80 times 100, my pen battery's running out, and that gives us a change of 10%. Number 4, car is travelling at 40 kilometers per hour, and then it increases to 56, so that's a change of 16. Obviously this picture of a car was really important, so I wanted to take up all the working space with it. The original speed was 40, so 16 over 40, that's 4/10, so 0.4, so this is a change of 40%. Kira buys a coffee table for £120 and sells it for 204. Work out her percentage profit. So percentage profit is the same as percentage change. The actual amount she's gone up by there is £84 out of the original 120 times 100. I can simplify that fraction. They're both divisible by 12, and that would be 10 on the bottom obviously, and 7, so 7/10. So this is 70% profit. Okay, Daisy bought a car for £20,000. She sold the house, I think that's when I say car, for £15,000. Work out her percentage loss. So the change there is 5,000. The original amount was 20,000. Now that's a quarter. You can cross off the 3 zeros they share in common. So 5/20ths is a quarter. So that's 25%. She made a 25% loss. Population of an island was 30,000, and then a year later it was 31,500. So the change was 1,500 out of the original amount, 30,000. Now we can cancel off 2 zeros. And this is the same as 15 over 300, which I'm actually going to simplify down first. I can divide both of those by 15 to get 1. And how many 15s go into 30? Well, 2, and we've got the extra 0. So this is 1/20th. Turn it into a percentage by times it by 100, and that will be 5%. Rebecca bought a dress for £80 and then sold it for 116. So the profit there was £36 out of the original 80. 36 over 80, I'll just simplify it down over here, that would be, they're both divisible by 4, so that's 9 over 20, 9/20ths. 1/20th is 5%, so 9/20ths will be 45%. And the final non-calculator one, a football shirt decreases from 50 to 37, so that's a decrease of £13 out of the original 50. Now 13/50ths is going to be the same as 26/100ths, so this is 26%. Okay, on to the calculator ones. Work out percentage increase of the value of the painting. It's gone from 24,000 to 27,120. I'm now going to switch to using method 2 now. I'm going to divide new by old, just so you get a taste of both methods. 27,120 divided by 24,000 gives 1.13. So that's a 13% increase. Okay. Christy buys a book for £17.40 and sells it for £9.57. So we're going to do new, £9.57 divided by old, £17.40. Okay. £9.57. So 11/20ths or 0.55. So this is a percentage reduction of 45%. Okay, because a multiplier, you would times something by 0.55 if you wanted to decrease it by 45%. Okay, we'll go through the next page on the next video.